How to change language on Stockx. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to can change your language on Stockx. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Stockx on Google Play Store and App Store, or you can visit their website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here, my dashboard, if I go to my account right here on the bottom right corner, as you can see, there is actually no options that you can change your language on Stockx, only your currency. So that's the only thing you can change on the settings. Even if you change your phone system language, it will not reflect on StockX because they are not connected. So the only thing you can do is by, going on the website. If you really want to change the language, you can just go to the StockX website on Google Chrome, and you can just click right here, the three dots on the top right corner, and right there just click translate right here. And as you can see, I can change the language into German, and if I want to change it to another language, I can just click the three dots button right here on the right side. And after that, just click more language. And I can, change this language to another language. And I can choose between all of these options right here. So for example, if I want to change the language to Japan, I can just click Japanese. And as you can see, the language or all of the text right here on the website is changed into a Japanese text. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can change language on StockX. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.